Greetings, class. Professor Schumann here. Welcome to your first class about teamwork with the Marshmallow Challenge. Please have your handout available, and your first task on the handout is to preview new words and expressions that are listed there. Begin by just evaluating your personal word knowledge. Which of these words do you know? Which are new for you? And for ones that are new for you, I want you to visit this website, www.wordreference.com. And as you put in new words, listen to the pronunciation. It's nice because you hear an actual voice with an American accent instead of just a recording. You could also look at the phonetic spelling. And then pay attention to the different parts of speech. Is the word that you're looking at a noun, a verb, and how is it being used in the context of the video? So I'm going to show you this one, for example. One of the words on your list is jockey. And just one sec. Okay, if I go to wordreference.com, notice also that you have different languages here. You can do English to Italian. Unfortunately, Turkish is not listed, but at least we have Spanish or Italian to help most people. I'm going to type in the word jockey, for example, and you can't hear, but
jockey.
I can. It says jockey. And then actually the one that comes up in the video is this jockey, the verb form. It means to compete. And when you hear the video, you'll understand that they're talking about jockeying for power and trying to lead the team effort. So a more common word, jockey, is the noun form. That's the person who rides horses. Okay, so that's your first step, is to preview the new vocabulary, listen to the pronunciation, check out the meaning and part of speech. And then step 2, you're going to watch the video. I've included the link in your Blackboard class. As you listen the first time, just listen for general overall comprehension. And then you might listen again and kind of fool around with the settings. If you want to see English subtitles or vary the speed, you can listen to it being spoken very quickly a second time, or maybe you need to slow it down to understand better. The third part of your assignment today is to write answers on the handout on the bottom under the new vocabulary, and please write incomplete sentences. These are questions based on information presented in the video about the Marshmallow Challenge. And then finally, if you look on the back of your handout, you will see guidelines for your Marshmallow Challenge. Please read those guidelines and think about any questions, concerns, or ideas you might have. When you come back to class next time, we are going to work in groups to create challenges for the other students in the class. And remember that last time you filled out a survey, and I am going to try to match you with somebody that you're really comfortable with. But also I'm going to mix up the groups a little bit, and we'll talk about working in teams. Hope you have a great weekend. Take care.